Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that intro. We're gonna get to the finale of the intro at the finale of the video. So stay tuned for that. But if you notice, there's one thing missing from this video so far, and that is that. Thank you, Vecna. You've been very helpful bringing this in here. Now get out of here. Get out. I said get out of here. Get out. Get out. We are going to do some work on our lathe to retrofit this to look as close to the Stranger Things clock as I can get without spending 1,000 hours on it. So we're gonna turn some spindles, we're gonna redo the face, gonna stain it a little bit darker, add some accents of a gold leaf or gold paint, and then from there, we're gonna do some work with electronics. We're gonna do an Arduino board and some LED lights so that every time the hour chimes, this clock is going to glow red. So let's get going and do some strange things to this clock. Get out of here, Vecna! Get out of here! Get out of here! That is just the coolest thing ever. Now that the clock face is removed, we can take the top off and we can remake it. This wouldn't be such a bad gig. It's 7:30! Get a clock! Get a watch! I could be a Nicolas Cage clock. The time is 8:47. This crooked Hillary and her terrible timekeeping skills, she doesn't know how to keep time. Everyone just wants to know what time it is. I'm like, kumbaya, man, it's time.
You died at 5:30. It's got to the top of time, but everyone can do an honor, but they just sound like someone screaming. Ah!
So the top is done as far as I can do for now with it drying over there. So the next step is for me to go to my parents' shop with some lumber and try to lathe these out. Now there's two things I have to really lathe out. One is the finials on top, they're like a spike in a ball. The other is a spindle with different varying sizes on it. Now these are a guide that I can have on the lathe and stick right up to it and double check everything I need. So I've got my measurements for what I need to do, and yeah. Done. It is perfect. It is, well, I did manage to break one of these off as I was going through a doorway, so we gotta glue that back on. But you're gonna say, what's left of the build? Well, what's left of the build is we're gonna add some LED lights into this thing so it sits in the corner and it glows really cool. I got these LED strips that look like neon lights, so we're going to glue those around the inside so they look really good. I was actually planning on doing some stuff with Arduino boards, and we're going to use that in the future, but this time, I still got to do some tweaking. I probably shouldn't have tried to do this when I had no idea what I was doing, so we're going to wait for that. But let me know if you guys want me to turn this giant clock into a big Bluetooth speaker, because I think that would be really cool, just so it's not sitting in the corner, it's actually doing something. Without further ado, guys, we're going to put these LED lights in, and we're going to make it look really nice. What's up, guys? It's Joe. Anyways, we had a great build this time and we made some really awesome stuff, and I gotta say, I really learned a lot about LEDs, and I got to work with Arduino. Not that you guys got to see it, but maybe in the next build, let me know what you think I should do to this clock to make it a little bit different. I'm thinking Bluetooth speaker. I think it needs to be making sounds, so let me know what you guys think of that. And anyways, time for the thrilling conclusion to what you saw at the beginning of the video. Anyways, I gotta lug this inside. This thing is heavy. Been lugging it everywhere. Okay, bye. Have fun. investigate. Listen, I'll put my fist in your face like the miser. A master, a crafter, a miser. Oh, hit him with that. Come on.
What are you doing in here?
What am I doing here? I don't even want to be here, man.
Would you like to join them?
You're just a Freddie Kruger ripoff with more birds.
I am.
Still stuck me upside down. Hello? Anyone here? Did anyone like the video? Did anyone want to subscribe? Ooh. Okay, you don't tell me twice. I get it.